Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the quick and easy steps to delete your Roblox account on PC, especially after the new update. If you've decided to take a break from Roblox or just want to move on, follow these steps to deactivate your account. First, open the Roblox app on your PC. It should be right there on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once the app is up and running, look to the left side menu for 3 dots. Click on those dots to expand more options. Next, you'll see a menu pop up. Click on Settings to access your account preferences. Now, once you're in the Settings section, it's time to focus on privacy. Click on the Privacy option to find more detailed settings regarding your account. Scroll down a bit until you reach the Deactivate Account section. It's important to read through the information provided here so you understand what deactivating your account means. When you're ready, click the Deactivate button. You'll then be prompted to enter your password for security reasons. This step is essential to verify that it's really you making this request. After entering your password, hit the Verify button, and that's it. Your Roblox account will be deactivated. Remember, this action is reversible if you decide to come back, but your account will be inactive until you choose to reactivate it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides and tips. See you next time.